Okay, so Tanto form, it's actually a very fast form. It kind of wants to be. For purposes of training, I will mirror you. Now, it probably goes without saying that the hand with the weapon in, I want to keep that at the front, because I'm assuming at the moment the other person may have a weapon, and I want to keep whatever they've got as far away from the rest of me as I can, so I'm keeping this out front. Now, we'll add steps later. To the moment, all we're going to do is the movement of the arms. And this is going to sweep up diagonally and then come underneath. I'll show it from the side a little bit so you can see it sweeps up and then comes under. The first strike I would be looking to do would be to go against their arms. So if you imagine someone coming in with a weapon, long before I can reach the rest of their body, I should be able to reach their arm that's coming in, so I'm going to cut that across. Now if I do this with a bit of force, it will do one of two things. It's either going to knock their arm out of the way, clearing some space, or it'll actually cut across, inside or outside of their arm, both fairly effective. That's going to help towards disarming them. I'm then going to make it nice and smooth, continuous flow. So that's going to come up and through, keep moving, and then come up. And I'm aiming literally under the ribs, heading up and towards the middle of them. Just have a go at that.